Okay. As I said, I know this is your first night of official class, but we're going to go ahead and I'm going to talk about the capstone because to me, the earlier you get started, the better off you're going to be. Your capstone can be on any subject that is of interest to you. Um, as long as there is data, you're welcome to do your capstone on said subject. I had a student in just this last cohort did their capstone on cheese. They were a chef and they also like cheese, but the data they were able to compile about cheese was so in depth and so professional that, hey, I was like, go for it. I had one student in a previous capstone who owned a bakery, but they wanted to get into data analytics and did their capstone on ice cream. That was one of the most comprehensive capstones I had seen on ice cream. And then you have students that do them on quote unquote serious topics. Just as someone had asked previously about performing things in Looker, someone in my last class, as I said, they did that. Um, Talking about the top five uh, diagnoses that facilities see repeat patients on. Um, they provided a map of Tennessee, actual latitude and longitude of the facilities, so they were able to provide something comprehensive. If you had James Brown in the fundamentals class, he did his capstone on Airbnbs within Nashville, Davidson County. Very comprehensive. On the flip side, his classmate did one on every NBA draft pick from I think 56 to 2016. Yeah, because I think, yeah, it was like a 60-year span. Just as comprehensive as James. But some people would think it is a quote unquote more recreational topic because it deals with the NBA draft. But you won't find this funny. One of my former students just posted on LinkedIn last week that he will have a fellowship with the Detroit Pistons this summer. This student completed the program at Pivot. He's now completing his master's in data science at TSU, and he applied for this fellowship with the Pistons and was accepted. I asked him to reach out to another student who just finished his last cohort. He did his on every NBA player's points per season and their number of points every NBA player from 2021, I think, to 2025. It was a 5 year. I put those two students in touch with each other, and now that other student is thinking about joining the data science program at Tennessee State to try to get in with another NBA team to do their statistics. So do not think your topic is quote unquote non-serious. There is data for everything. And we'll get to how to collect that data, what places to go to. We'll get to that later in this cohort, but start thinking about it now. Uh, I'm pretty sure there is a subject that interests you and you would like to know more about that subject and go deeper into that subject. And you may find out things you never knew existed about said subject. So, I said all that to say no subject is quote unquote non-serious in my eyes. You may be an avid outdoors person and want to do your capstone about fishing or something, of that nature. There's a lot of data out there. I actually had one student kind of quote unquote scared me straight. They did their capstone on recycling. They provided the data about non-recycling, how that is damaging the environment. Yes, I recycle, but I really wasn't as adamant. I would put, my, stuff in the recycle bin. I would take it down, but I wasn't as adamant as I am now. I make sure that I am one of those people that fully recycles. And with my daughter being in the Northeast, they're really serious about it up there. So when she came home, she was very serious about, her mom and I recycling. But when I saw that student's presentation, I was like, oh, okay, you got me. So I do take it more seriously now because I do see things around and yeah, I learned that from a student. So that's just the thing. With your capstone, think about something that is of interest to you, and you can start collecting data now. Now, I know with some subjects, data is very fluid. It changes monthly. Some subjects, the data may change weekly, but even with that, just learn where to get your data and then just update it accordingly. Um, when we get into working with BigQuery and Looker, you can connect your data and just, have it where that data set updates as you provide the recent data and it will update your your data set and it will update your visualizations because you'll connect your visualizations to that data set. So you can say, hey, I've been running this data for the past 6 months, uh, since I started at Pivot, and these are the trends. You could even do that. Uh, so there are many ways you can quote unquote slice and dice your data. And all I ask is that your capstone is professional when you present it. We will have a rubric, and I will probably share that because after the first 10 weeks, we'll be finished with um SQL. We'll finish off uh, our intro to data analytics next week, and we'll be good to go. And that's when you can really start putting the pieces together. So that's pretty much um, what I had to say regarding the capstone. So now I'm going to pause the recording. Give me just a minute.